Welcome everyone to a new series, and the topic of this series is squares and square roots. So let's discuss the methods to find square root. We have three methods: prime factorization, successive subtraction and long division. So in this video we will discuss the most commonly used method in order to find square root, that is long division method. Using an example 59,049, let's find out the square root of this number. So first we will sort our number and divide them into pairs from right to left. So that is how we will pair it. Starting from 49, 49 is our first pair, 90 is our second pair, and we are left with 5. You can leave this 5 as it is, or if you want you can place 0 in front of 5 in order to make it pair as well. Next we will find out such a number. If that number is multiplied by itself, the product is either less than or equal to the dividend. So 1 into 1 will give you 1, 2 into 2 will give you 4. See, I am multiplying with the same number. आपको सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is greater than 5 and 4 is less than 5. So we will pick this pair. So write 2 in place of divisor as well as quotient. Rest is your normal division. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now how to copy down number? We will pick pair. As we are dealing with pair, so we will pick pair. Then multiply the quotient and take it as a divisor. So multiply this quotient by 2. It will give you 4. So this product is your divisor now. Do not forget to leave a blank after this product. So I have left this blank after the product obtained. Now next question arises, how to fill this blank. So fill this blank with such a number. If you multiply that number with itself, the product is either less than or equal to the given number. So fill it. सबसे पहले I am filling it with 2. See, fill it with the same number. Same number से आपको fill करना है. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2, 8. 84 is less than 190. But अभी भी हमारे पास scope है. We can move further. Let's check it with 4. Just keep this in mind. Same number से आपको multiply करना है. 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4, 16, 17. Still there is a scope. अभी भी हम आगे move कर सकते हैं. Now I am filling this blank by 5. Multiply by 5 only. 5 into 5, 25. 2, 5 for 20, 22. 225. Now 225 is greater than 190, but the product should be less than or equal to. So we will pick this 44 case. So fill it by 4. Same in the quotient. We will get 176. Subtract it. We will get 14. Next, we will copy this 49 down. Again, multiply the quotient. Our quotient is 24. Multiply it by 2. You will get 48. Again, do not forget to leave a blank. Now, put 2 in place of this blank. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 4, 8 into 2, 16. 4 into 2, 9. Still there is a scope. As the unit place is 9, we can directly move to 3 or 7. So let's check with 3. I am replacing it with 3. Multiply by 3 only. ये दो नंबर आपके एग्जैक्टली सेम होने चाहिए। 3 into 3 9, 8 into 3 24, 4 into 3 12, 14। बिंगो 1449, यही नंबर हमें चाहिए था 1449। So we will use 3 here and 1449, that is 0. Since the remainder is 0, so we can say 243 is our answer.